Mr. Gideon, thank you for coming on this platform this morning. We want to look at what is happening in Kano State, where we have two emirs fighting for one throne, and causing a lot of tension in Kano. What's your reaction to that, considering the fact that Sanusi was returned after being overthrown, and Ado Bayero is claiming that Sanusi need to obey court order? What's your view on that?
Sanusi was removed by politics. He need to come back.
Okay.
The removing of Sanusi was politics. The man in charge hates Sanusi. Sanusi was swearing last week as emir of Kano. He was removed. The whole world know that he was unjust. The governor hates Sanusi and he sent him out of power. Understand me? Now, if it is real that Sanusi was made power in joy, in what as normal, they could not return him back. The second, because what happened is Kano sport. Since Sanusi was ejected, the wise man now knows Kano has started to come down. Kano has to come down. The wise governor come and he said that what they do to Sanusi as emir was wrong. He called Sanusi back. But the people don't know that the man is doing the right thing because the God is angry. The man that leave power, what did he do to Kano? That governor, what did he do to Kano? Nothing. He do nothing to Kano.
That guy will go this week.
Emir
They will go cover events.
is the cause of the land. You take him out because you have power. He will obey you and leave.
And if he come now, he will go somewhere, go to smoke.
And the gods of the land bring him back. No matter how caught, Sanusi will sit in that seat. Because why? Sanusi is the right person to be there.
But Gaduje, the APC national chairman, a lot of people have been fingered that he was not supposed to be so. That Sanusi shouldn't have come back and take that throne.
Because APC are corrupt. APC are dubious, corrupt party that get all facts to do evil. Does that mean? The power of APC belongs to what? Jagaban himself, who is a what? A pure doubt. Jagaban. The title is very bad. Does that mean? Title of Jagaban is very what? It's the baddest title on earth. Does that mean? We have title of King Jaja of Bobo. We have title of Lord Lugard. We have good titles. You come out and say you are Jagaban. See the Jagaban. All what be under Turumbu is what? Do evil well. Rob people. Suppress people. That's what I'm telling you. Because what? Is not a good person. When good is in you, you follow what? Everything will come from you, follow good. The trend, when the trend goes, is what? Engine is good. The ghost is what? Working well. But the engine is succeeds. Everybody go support. Every chairman go support everybody. Everybody, chairman, is it good to remove Sanusi? What is Sanusi do? Let them tell the court, this is what Sanusi commit as emir. That make you to send him out. You cannot say that. You go and put the man out because you have power. What can they say that this is what Sanusi do? What can they say this is what Namido do that make them to send Namido out of power? What can they do? Can they just bring it to court? They cannot bring it to court. They just suppress Sanusi and take him. But if the gods of the land say Sanusi must be what emir, they have no power over the gods. Does that mean ABC government is what is calm, suppress, do all manners of evil. Now nothing you can do now as evil not go do and succeed because a Satan is ruling. Does that mean?
But there's a protest now going on in Kano. A lot of clashes have been happening between Sanusi supporters and, of course, the Ado Bayero supporters.
They bribe them. Ado Bayero is what? Is bribing them because the power belongs to what? To the more bribe. Most of those people are hungry. And they bribe them to go against Sanusi. If Sanusi was wrong, he could have not returned back. This is not the work of what human being. It's a god. Emir is a god of the land. So if Sanusi could have wrong, he could have not returned back. They could have not returned him back. But because the people see that since Sanusi go, nothing work. Things are bad in the state. Let us bring Sanusi to pray what? Let Sanusi say to himself, in his own mind, say, I'm not the emir, not to take him out by force. Get my point? Let Sanusi say to Kano that I'm not emir again for his own mouth and his own heart. but not to you to take him out by force. That's what bad. So return Sanusi have peace for Kano. Thank you very much.
Oh, we have Ado Bayero is sitting on the other side as Emir. Sanusi is sitting on the other side as Emir. Are you not seeing that there's a political undertone to this ahead of 2027?
It must be crash. It must crash. Why it's going to be crash is that what until all the North reject APC broom, they are all weak by APC broom. They cannot speak again because Turumbu carry broom go keep them. If they say they reject that broom for the first time, they could not be like this. Could not be a crisis in the North. Understand me? There's too much crisis in the North now. Since APC, Turumbu has given them broom and they take, and you bribe them, they take broom. The broom is a problem to their gods. I'm a spiritual man. That broom they take and shake. A Yoruba broom, a Yoruba evil, a Yoruba issue. They take it and begin to shake for their hand in the North. It destroyed them. North will not be. Kano is the most peaceful state on the nation. But now you can see this problem in Kano. Now you can wonder where this problem come from. Now it's a serious war in Kano. Because two Emir is immense.
Yes.
You can see what is going on. So when the two gods are fighting, what happened? What is happened? So they could not allow that broom of Yoruba man to enter the North.
Are you saying that it's bad for people to play politics ahead of having a platform to win election? Because if Ado Bayero comes in, he's going to support Tinubu 2027, and people are seeing Sanusi as anti-Tinubu. What's their reaction to that?
Tinubu cannot be immersed. You understand me? His government no paper Nigerian. You understand me? So his government no paper. He should not play game. If he play game, we could drop him. Understand me? He should degrade. I can't make it. Simple. Let him degrade. I cannot make it. Like put on your hand and say congratulations. I can't make it. I leave. Abi? Let him say congratulations, Nigerian. I cannot make it. I leave. Let him not to impose 2027. They don't get him bound. If he try that, understand me? Carry is 4,000 a paint. Carry is 4,000 a paint now. 4,000 naira a paint of Carry. So Tinubu should what? Should not dream it. If you dream, you take power, and when I come, I take you out. APC must leave Nigeria. They must go. Understand me? Ashwayu must what? Bole. I've been campaign for Ashwayu Bole. For all media. Bole, Tinubu, we don't need you. The nation has been fight all difficult. So Bole, that's my campaign. Everywhere in the media. Tinubu, Bole, we don't need you. Understand me? The pain is too much. Since you come in, deception, coronavirus, all about APC is pain. Deception, caste policy, all about this is baddest that put Nigeria in bondage because of what you say you are APC. Bole!
So, lastly, Obasa just said that Tinubu actually misfired. The economy is in shambles. He has not performed anything. And he's about to mark his 1 year in office, May 29. Finally, Pastor Gideon, what's your reaction to what Obasanjo said about Tinubu's bad government?
Bad government, Obasanjo is also biased. He's the one that supports Peter Obi with full force. He betrayed him. Amo Yoruba illegal law is a Yoruba man have. Amo Yoruba illegal law is politics. Amo Yoruba illegal law is politics. Illegal law is politics. What Obasanjo do to good law? To Obasanjo, to all of them. Understand me? But the Tunde Bakare, all what they do to good law, they cannot do to Tinubu. Amo Yoruba mean what? Illegal law. Amo Yoruba mean illegal law. Don't let Obasanjo to begin deceiving Nigeria.
Where is Tunde Bakare? Where is
Where Obasanjo? Where is Tunde Bakare? Where are all of them? Where all of them now? It's Amo Yoruba illegal law. You understand me? Amo Yoruba illegal law. They bring you tricks. They bring you tricks like say they don't like Tinubu. Understand me? Yoruba bring tricks like say they don't like Tinubu. They die doing juju for Tinubu to be there. Obasanjo, all of them, they died doing juju for Tinubu to be in that seat. Amo Yoruba ni Jekalo. Don't let anyone to deceive you. You buy like this man. How can they buy a paint of Carry 4,000? They don't talk. How can they buy yam for what they buy? They don't talk. See back on price. They don't talk. They love this man. Shut up the mouth, Tinubu in Yoruba. Nonsense. Shut up your mouth, Yoruba. You are hypocrite. You are hypocrite. Yoruba are hypocrite. Yoruba are hypocrite. Hypocrite. That's why they are. You know what they do for good luck? Where are them today? Why are they enjoying it? Why are they enjoying this endure? Uncle said they can't do small thing, but they endure. I'm all Yoruba Yega law. They love this man. They just pretend. Obasanjo pretend. All of them are pretending. Do what? Like say they don't like. All of them. They take out from my face. I know you are. You are son of a shoe. You can never good. Tell them. Tell them. Tell Yoruba. Let them stop hypocrisy. They love Tinubu. Tinubu say, want to carry central bank from Abuja to, why don't they say no? They love it. They come to Lagos, make they rob Nigeria. Tinubu is sharing money to Yoruba. Now all Yorubas, all the time go to have ATM to go cash money. It is we don't know what they are doing. All that go to have ATM to go cash money, where Tinubu send for them. From central bank, they don't come to Lagos. Why you carry that place come to Lagos? You tip central bank and come to Lagos to print currency and be shared to Yoruba. Why are they keeping quiet? Why do you keep quiet, Yoruba? Now, why do you keep quiet? Can you tell me why you keep quiet? Why you keep quiet? I'm asking Yoruba, why you keep quiet? How dare you? I know you are. It's a fake. I'm all Yoruba, but take a look. That's what is in their heart. They have their radio that they announce what is happening to their people. You understand me? Everybody said morning, not the San Seven radio. Tiwa, they describe. So you are all what? All of you are what? Hypocrite.
Jakalo politics.
Yoruba are hypocrite. Who are you? Come out.
So, finally,
you need to understand what is going on.
Yes, I do.
The power of what this government is by what Yoruba destroy the country and what pretend like say they are anything. They are nothing. Understand me? They control all Nigerian office. No office can serve you better. They can't say Emefiele come up from central bank. Now they said Emefiele don't do this, do that. What did their son now do? We still buy money, carry money, they buy money. POX. POX is a bank of Yoruba. Yoruba bank like POX. Carry your money to buy money. Eh? Evil people. They believe in juju. How can juju save you at the end? Eh? Are they not seeing what is going on? Are they not seeing what is going on? You don't say anything. They control oil. They now finish our gas and oil and gas. They have nothing, but they use what Nigeria they have to suppress Nigeria. You don't have oil. You don't have diesel. You don't have kerosene. You don't have gas cooker. Who are them to be suppressing Nigeria like this? What did they have? Nothing.
So,
they are just consumers. You are consuming Nigeria. Nothing you have. We suppress Nigeria. We buy Gary 4,000 a pint. It's terrible.
So, what is your general rounding of what do you want to tell Nigerians? In one word.
One word I tell Nigerians is what? Oh, your God well.
2027.
2027 faithful with your God. Tinubu, you see what they call power that is never seen before. Listen to me. If we now check very well, all the power that Tinubu have, is because he brings you to the nation and use it to suppress the majority. The emir, all the people in the north, they are used to keep them. They shake the broom and they weak. They bring weak them. Understand me? That is the north that can attack because they have majority. But so as far as the north, everybody are calm. Understand me? The west are calm. The Igbos, big betrayers say they are selling market. The way brought that dollar go with the sell market. But you are what? You are dying borrowing loan. Now everybody must stay fast and wake up and say, Tinubu, our children are suffering. Our mother cannot feed food. They what? Women in the house that marry cannot eat food, they chop biscuit to survive. Biscuits they will not easy. Don't what? Bole. That's my word. Bole, Tinubu, you cannot rule the nation.